Why is ice always so fun? Does anybody else find joy with driving on ice, or is it just us?
What?
Yeah, this is
Hang on.
It's absolutely terrifying.
Whoa, hold on. Time out, Abby. Serious.
Is that a bear?
That is huge. Look at this compared to my hand.
Yeah.
Well, and I have big hands, you guys. Look at
massive.
that.
Here, put it up by that one. You can
This
kind
one
of
right here?
see. No, the next one.
Oh, look at its little claws. Oh, that's huge. What made this track?
That's not terrifying at all.
In my humble opinion, I think the world needs more happiness, positivity, and just fun. There is no agenda to this video other than trying to have fun. We are here to show you this new RC vehicle. It is very unbranded, very overseas, and we couldn't even find the price on it. I think we got this a little bit early. By the time we release this video, hopefully we can find it, and it's linked below for you to check out. So in other words, I don't know a price on it. I'm sure they'll say this is about 10th scale, but in my opinion, it's closer to 12th scale. It comes with a couple little LEDs that you can plug in.
It looks stealthy. Something about
like
it, like the black windshield, maybe that's what it is.
It looks like the
stealthy.
coolest Christmas truck I've ever seen.
Sure.
It's four-wheel drive, it's a big brushed motor, it's ready to run, but I just chose not to put the lights on because it's not gonna do any good in this bright snow today. So we're gonna power it on. You know, it's really funny, it's got a wheelie bar.
It has room for taillights too.
Highly doubt we're gonna need that wheelie bar.
That looks like little gears.
I know.
I've never seen a wheelie bar that
very
looks like
goofy.
that.
I know this won't be able to make it up Bash Mountain, and I'm having my doubts that I'll even be able to drive in this snow. But you know what? Let's go.
Remove protective film, Nathan.
Before applying stickers, that's all it says. I'll remove this.
Just remove the sticker.
But there's a film on here, and I'm gonna leave that on so we can get a nice round 2 of new vehicle. Think I can do a backflip?
Yep.
Let's go. Hand launch. Oh yeah, landed it. Guys, you don't just hand launch airplanes, you hand launch RC cars and trucks too. This is actually doing it. Abby, I didn't think it would be able to drive in this.
Well, it's pretty frozen snow, so that's good.
Now that's full throttle, and those shocks are going to town. They're very bouncy. Oh, wipeout, that's one.
What did you just do?
I don't know. You know what's cool about this truck? It's that spoiler or the fin on the back. A lot of trucks we see like don't have that. I don't know, something does look pretty cool about this.
It's the front bumper and the black windshield.
It's the blocky style of it. And the arms on this thing are actually kind of beefy, I noticed when I'll pop the hood off after we run it. Show you guys underneath, but it's pretty cool. As long as it's not like 200 bucks, I think we've got a winner on our hands. I really just didn't know what to expect with this. This is one of those times, guys, that sometimes when you're a YouTuber, something just shows up at your door and you really just didn't know what to expect. It doesn't happen too often. A lot of times we know what's coming, but this one just showed up. So here we are running it just to let you guys see what like a normal little bash spot. This is what, you know, normal people do. We don't have a skate park where we go to intentionally destroy our RCs. That's okay for some channels, but not for us. We just like our things.
Let's ramp it though.
Okay, let's ramp it. Will it do it? Will we get any air at all? I say a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, we need to come back here when the weather breaks and try to build this little jump up a little bit more. What do you think? Yes? Oh, yeah.
We need to find out whoever's been taking chunks out of this section and tell them to put some more right here. I think everybody who comes here with their side-by-sides would appreciate a bigger ramp right here.
Yeah. Let's go one more just because this thing is actually really cool. I feel like it was meant to look like it was driving in snow at least, and it's doing it. Just because it's Christmas truck. It's like a Christmas monster truck. It's a weird color choice, but I like it.
It's kind of like turquoise, though. I don't know, like a teal.
Yeah.
Oh,
ice.
yeah.
That was good. Nice.
Why is ice always so fun? Does anybody else find joy with driving on ice, or is it just us?
What?
Yeah, this is
Hang on.
It's absolutely terrifying.
Whoa, hold on. Time out, Abby. Serious.
Is that a bear?
That is huge. Oh my goodness. What?
Yeah, we noticed there's like a trail on the other side of Bash Mountain. When we got here, we noticed like the crazy amount of tracks.
I just got chills when I saw this. Look at this compared to my hand.
Yeah.
Well, and I have big hands, you guys.
That's
look at
massive.
that.
Here, put it up by that one. You can kind of
right
see. No, the next one.
Oh, look at its little claws. Oh, that's huge. What made this track?
That's not terrifying at all.
That can't be a bear, right?
It's not terrifying at all.
There are some small bears in this area, but that's
someone
huge.
that watches our videos will know.
Guys,
we should show them that path before we leave.
It's not like
with all
someone
the
may
tracks.
like walk their dog.
Like you can see our old tracks, like our RC tracks.
Wow.
They're still here. All those are.
And this is fresh.
Yeah.
This was just earlier today.
Right. That's terrifying.
Whoa, huge.
Oh man. All right.
I got chills.
Let's hope the RC noise keeps everything away.
Oh man.
So sometimes when we go up to the top, I do get a little scared.
Yeah.
Like I'm always afraid we're gonna jump something.
Oh, I got chills when I
Like
saw that.
when we jump deer, I panic. Like I jump because it's just scary,
I got massive
unexpected.
goosebumps when I saw
Yeah,
that.
that's terrible. That is okay. Terrifying. You should put the RC next to the fridge.
Yeah, so they can see scale. Wow. Okay, let's look. Let's look. This is so cool.
Here, put it right this one right
This
here.
is crazy. Look at that. Wow, guys. I don't just like my hat. Look at the paw prints to my hat. That's a big animal, and it was not here the last time we were here.
No, it's going on top of our
There's
RC
a little
tracks.
watering hole down
See,
here.
These are our old tracks, our old RC tracks, and you can see that. And then someone drove a car through here. That's not us. See, here's our footprints from the last time we went up to Bash Mountain.
Wow.
Look, it like went around like this, and then just went in there. That's terrifying.
You know what? We should try to see if this can make it up Bash Mountain. What do
Okay.
you say?
Yeah.
It might be able to do it.
Yeah.
I had my doubts, but let's go. We're here. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. I have my doubts, but we will see. You never know. Not everything.
It'll make it.
Well, maybe under.
Not with you
maybe
driving.
you driving it. Give me like 2 more shots tops, and then I'll pass the controls to you. Okay, nice. That was awesome. Okay, 2 more shots tops, and if I can't get it, then I will definitely pass the controls. But if I do, then I'm going to pass the controls anyway. And that was horrible. It's a lightweight vehicle.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? That was.
Let's go.
That was worrisome.
Focus.
I am focusing. Are you?
Yeah. Oh, Abby, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen.
No, you're on the right.
All right.
All right, my turn.
See if you can do it.
I haven't even driven this yet.
And actually, that might have just wiped the battery. I think I did.
Oh,
I think that was
let me
it.
just see. Come on, little guy.
This thing comes with a really small battery. That's it. That's it for the battery. Yeah.
This feels so 2016, Nate.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
All right, that's it. Dead battery.
This is that trail I mentioned really briefly. Like, look at this thing. It's like dragging its
These
feet.
are big prints. Look, come here. Look at this tire. Like, I'm gonna put it right next to it like this. Like, look at that. See? That's huge. So look, right here. Whatever the paw is, whatever that creature is, its paw print is the same size as that tire.
Yeah.
Insane.
I don't want to meet that animal ever here.
It's insane.
Oh, now I'm paranoid. Ever coming here again.
No. Well, look, our channel is just about having fun, right? It's like just having adventures and having good life experiences with RC, kind of encouraging us to get outside and share these experiences with you guys. And unfortunately, this truck had a really short run time. There's no sugarcoating that at all. And this video, however long it ends up being, 10, 12, 15 minutes or whatever, some of that was exploring and adventuring these animal tracks too. So that's...
Look at how many, all these tracks. There are no people tracks in there, right?
We're gonna see like...
I only see animal tracks.
I want to be editing this video and watching it back.
Oh,
and we're
gosh.
gonna see like a Yeti run or something. Crazy. Well, if for some reason you love this, it's linked in the description box below, but I can almost guarantee wherever the price point falls on this, there's probably something a little bit better for ready to run. It was fun though. There's nothing that I can say like this is horrible, except for that run time. It was pretty short. You can solve that with a bigger battery, but look inside. Can you actually solve that with a bigger battery? Maybe not, because there's very little space to put any bigger of a battery. That's about the biggest battery you could fit. Now it is Bonsai branded, which we had a little Bonsai thing on the channel before and we liked it. But there you go. I mean, this is, they're gonna say 10th scale. I say it's closer to 12th scale. That wheelie bar is completely goofy and unnecessary, but it's there for looks. And it was fun, and it did handle that snow way better than I planned on. I thought we'd throw it down in the snow, it wouldn't be able to drive, and we'd be driving on the little road.
Yeah.
So it did work out, and it was a blast, just a short run time. I hope you guys get the overall vibe that we're trying to push, not only in this video, but our entire channel. The world right now just needs more fun, happiness, positivity, and just enjoy it while we can, right? Today is here in front of us right now. So get up off your couch, go charge a battery, go buy a new RC, get motivated to just enjoy life. I think that's what we all need to do. And while you're out enjoying life, spread some cheer and positivity to other people. And on that note, I want to thank God for this absolutely beautiful day and just a moment in time to share with my wife and all of you watching. You're absolutely amazing. We thank you all from the bottom of our hearts, including our Patreon supporters. You guys are the best. Now, if you're in the market for a budget RC vehicle and you want to know what our opinion of the absolute best of the best is, we'll have a video of that popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.